And we are at cabin 47. Dun, dun, dun. And Angela, what are we doing here?
Oh gosh, we're in there painting, we're building furniture. I'm going to be building a bookshelf for the desk, and we've got all kinds of volunteers in here. Borges Architectural Group and Biletnikoff Foundation are collaborating to build this particular cabin.
And we have Precision General in there too.
Precision General in there as well. But we're super excited to build this for a 6-week stay for someone that needs some help getting their life back together, getting back on the good path. A bright light is coming in here today to redo everything in one day.
Woke up to sunshine on my face. Every moment feels like grace. The world is brighter, sky so blue. All because